Hey YouTube, it's Jack Hatter. So sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. It's been kind of crazy lately with college and everything like that. But I thought I'd go ahead and do a little cosplay tutorial for you guys. If you didn't know, I'm going to the Dallas Comic-Con April 6th through 8th. So I decided to do one of the characters from the game Cuphead Don't Deal with the Devil, King Dice. If you don't know what Cuphead is, it's essentially a 1930s style run and gun game. It's very, very, very fun. Where you're just this little Cuphead guy and you're fighting a bunch of different bosses. And one of the bosses that you fight is this guy right here. I don't know if the camera would focus right. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's King Dice right there. And when you fight him, he has a certain attack that he does. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that either. But see, essentially, he has this little floating die right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. And also, if this looks terrible, it's because I have to do this all in one take because my editor's working stupid. Alright, so one of the things you will need will be one die. I'm just showing you two of them because there's two things you can do with them. You're also going to need some clear magician string. You're also going to need a pair of white gloves, as well as a 1/8 inch drill bit, as well as obviously a drill. So, as well as that, you're also going to need a small needle. But essentially, once you have that, there's two things you can do with the die. And what you'll essentially do is, sorry, I gotta turn the music down a tad bit. You have two options. You can do one where it's this right here where it has one hole in between, or you can do it like this right here where it has 4 holes. The 4 holes one I think doesn't work as good as the 1 hole one because I've tried both of them, and the 1 holer seems to do a lot better than the 4 holer because the 4 holer the strings usually get tangled. With the 1 holer, it's a lot easier and it moves a lot better because basically you're going to be able to do like this right here. But what you'll do is once you have the string, you'll essentially measure how far you're wanting it to be. Sorry, my needle got stupid. But you'll measure how far you're wanting the string to be, which I'm wanting it to be about as far as I can. I know you can't see the string right now because it's so light, but you want it to be as far as you can, just like this. You may see a little bit of a shine on my hat. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because my hair is horrible and I don't have time to fix it. But, I have this string right here, about as wide as I'm wanting it to be. And you'll just go ahead and stick it through the die, so that's, or actually, sorry. You'll stick it through the glove first. You're just going to do it right towards the bottom of the wrist, and you're just going to go around and around and around for a few times. Or you can actually just tie it right here at the end. Once you stick it through, you just grab it. Again, sorry that this looks so bad, but I had to do it all in one take. But I hope you guys enjoyed the Cuphead music. Yes, all this is from Cuphead. I'll put all the credits into the description. Sorry, this thing's not wanting to cooperate. If you want, I'll put in the description what time to go to when it gets to the next portion if you want to, once I get this tied. So you can just skip to there, or you can just skip ahead, and I'll get to that part eventually. So sorry that it's taking so long like this. Alright, so after what felt like 10 years, I finally got that through. So you're going to go ahead now, after you've done that, and it's connected just like this. So you see it's connected on there. You're going to go through the die. And you can just let that drop for now. And see, it's going to hang there so that way it almost looks like it's floating, because that's how it is in the game. And then you'll take the other glove. And also make sure when you're doing this, you make sure to do it on the inside of the glove. So like the thumb is facing you. You want to make sure you do it on the inside. You don't want to do it on the outside or it'll wrap around your hand. So you go ahead and do this, but you don't want to go in too far because you want it to be as wide as possible. So you'll just go ahead and do it like that. And you'll just go ahead and tie it on the other side as well, like this. And you can take the needle off now. And I'll put in the description where to skip ahead to. So right now, if you want to, you can just go ahead and look in the description to see when you're to skip ahead to. And I'll put all these in the description. I found all these on Amazon, not sponsored, but if you want to, Amazon, go ahead. I will gladly accept. But you'll just go ahead and do this right here. You'll just tie it through right there. And like I said, so sorry that this is bad quality, but it's on a not so great camera, and it's also, my editor isn't working, so I have to do it all in one take, like I said. Alright, so once you've done that, you'll go ahead and put these on. And then you got your, once I switch it back around like this, sorry I got tangled around my fingers. You've then got the king dice floating pink die, as you can see right here. I think you can see that. Hopefully you can see the shine on it better. But see, you got it like that, so you're ready for Comic-Con for your king dice. So yeah, sorry this video was bad quality, sorry it wasn't that great. Also, just so you know, you'll want to trim up the edges right here, the excess, and you may want to tie it a little bit better than I did, but that's essentially what it is. And with the 4 dice one, you'll just basically need to do 4 strings. So you can do the 1 string or the 4 string, either one is fine. You just do you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, I would enjoy if you would like the video and subscribe if you want to see more, because as you can see, I don't have too many videos up right now, but I'm definitely going to start doing it regularly, even if I have to do it like this where it's like unedited. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.